What's going on, guys? It's Landon here, and today I'm so happy because I'm going to be unboxing this beautiful package. What's in this package, you ask? Well, you guys are about to see. I'm not going to show the other side because that kind of has my address on it. So I will be right back. I'm going to get some scissors. I got some scissors, guys. No. The time has come. We cut it open and see what's inside this baby. Obviously, I know already, but you guys do not know. You see that? You see what that logo is? I got a GAN Air Cube. Beautiful packaging, guys. This is beautiful. Oh my. Oh my. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my. Beautiful packaging, guys. We have the GAN Air. I am actually holding the GAN Air Cube. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out right now. I can't believe this. Let's just take a minute before I pop this open. Let's just take a minute. Look at this beautiful packaging and look at this cube. It's so great. Comes with these. Let's actually open these real quick. Jeez. Everything is packaged so good. Like, I can barely open this. Oh no. Oh no. Rip. 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 Okay. So we have these little guys. These little guys. I knew that was going to happen, guys. So, basically, we have a GAN Cube with us. I finally got one. I know I've been looking forward to this for a while because I ordered it not long ago, but I've been waiting for about 3 days, you know. Pretty long time. But when you're as impatient as me and when you're as excited as me to just get, like, I feel like people are going to be like, oh, it's just a little cube. But no, it is more than just a little cube. It is the best brand cube. The GAN Air. GAN, not just GAN. No, not just GAN. GAN Air. And I am stoked to unbox this with y'all. With you. Same thing. I'm gonna close that back up. I'll close. I'm just gonna set this back here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's better. Now let's get back to the main thing first. I want to check. Does this have algorithms? Algorithms for you guys, if you really are just learning how to solve it. Is there some algorithms? Alright, whatever. Oh my, this is hard to get open. Pop it open. How do you open this? Oh, there we go. There we go. I think I opened it wrong. Whatever. Okay, guys, this is insane. This is oh my, this turning is insane. GameCube! This is so loose, though. I feel like it's gonna pop, but I'm not really worried. Like, I could put it back together, obviously, but just pops are annoying, you know. Oh my. Well, might as well just do a solve on it, you know. With this awesome cube that I have. Okay, that's good scramble. Let's just solve it. Yeah. No? I lost track. Oh, never mind. I got it. Looking. Yeah, I go to school near me, and people in my school are going to be so jealous because we have a cubing thing, and people are just going to be so jealous about this because no one believed me when I said I'm getting the GAN Air Master. So, believe me now, people? Believe me now? This is awesome, guys. I'm not even really trying to speed solve, honestly. Let's try some corner cuts after this. Speed solve activated. For the GAN, those are easy. Those are easy. Oh my. Was that a reverse corner cut it just did? That was it does reverses so easy, guys. Like, I wish you could see this right now. Reverse. I mean, I'm surprised because I've never really handled the cube this well and this good before. But, you know, that's not that surprising considering it's a GAN. It's like the world's best brand, basically. Like, it's really good. So, I hope you enjoyed the video of unboxing and test turning my GAN cube. Without further ado, I'm going to end the video in 3, 2, 1, bye.